कहीं तुम जी कौन कल यो
Good morning and thank you so much Bhubaneswar Buddha Park for coming across with us, for joining with us for this amazing day. Beautiful audience, beautiful weather and ame samaste eka sangre eti utshava manaiba pai prastut hochu. Mostly there is the thing on our mind that utshava mane sandhya re haba, moshava ho, utsava ho ya fir kaun se prakar function ho, but we believe there is no such time to start a day with full of music, full of sound, full of loudness, full of love and full of support. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all about Park Utshava. Mujhe bhi gote jordar tali bajiba apna samaste ko taraf. Come on. And we know morning to hoji kintu am pakhre kichida 5,000 rupees ro lottery achi, and along with we are having a bumper prize 10,000 rupees ro. One sir, one 10,000 and two 5,000 rupees. Sir, one 10,000 and two 5,000 rupees. Got it, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, choice is all yours. If you want to be with us till the end of the second, then yes, definitely you can get a chance to win 5,000 rupees. Or if you want to stay with us till the beginning to the end, then might you can get a chance to win that bumper prize of 10,000 rupees. But whatsoever may that be, morning ko arambha kariba with lots and lots of love and support to this amazing park, to this amazing soul which is there inside of all of us, जोटा कि आम भितर अच्छी आम समस्त को पाई अच्छी आम चाहिए दैट आपण माने समस्ते जेमिति जॉगिंग करछन्ती, जेमिति फिटनेस को निजरा बनैछन्ती एवं जे बडी भाबरे आपण पूरा पूरी प्रस्तुत अछन्ती आज रे मॉर्निंग को स्टार्ट करिया पई से बडी भाबरे आम संगे भी जॉइन करंतु मॉर्निंग के म्यूजिकली स्टार्ट करिया पई. वी आर हैविंग एन अमेजिंग सिंगर विथ अस, राइट? ही इज ऑल देयर, ही इज वेटिंग फॉर हिज टर्न. द वेदर इज क्वाइट कोल्ड and मुझे देख परची the musicians are all set with their fingers, right? आपण माने निज निजरा अंगुली संगे पूरा पूरी प्रस्तुत अछन्ती. I don't know whether आपण माने स्वेटर पिनचन्ती सर पिन्नाती यू आपण सकाळ गाधै कि आछन्ती with lots and lots of music. आरंभ करिबा चालंतु किछि म्यूजिक संगे, and for that we are having a fantastic singer with us lined up अछि. कुनी कुनी पिला माने मध्ये मंच पर आसीबे, से माने पे बहुत सारा परफॉर्मेंस रखिबे. Why about this stage? I don't care about it, sir. I do care about the souls those are there in front of the stage. कहीं ना आपण माने समस्त जे केवल मंच पर आसके हम संगे एंटरटेनमेंट रो खुराक को नहीं परिबे या फिर एंटरटेनमेंट रो सहित ଆଜିର ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂକୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ଆବସଲ୍ୟୁଟଲି ରଙ୍ଗ ଯେ ଯୋଉଠି ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯେମିତି ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ସେଇଠି ତ ୟୋଗା କରିପାରିବୁ ସେଇଠି ଜୁମ୍ବା କରିପାରିବୁ ସେଇଠି ହାତ ଖୋଲିକି ଗୀତ ବୋଲି ପାରିବୁ ଆଉ ସେଇଠି ପରମପିତା ପରମେଶ୍ୱରଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ ନେଇପାରିବୁ ମୁଁ ଚାହିଁବି ଗୋଟେ ଜୋରଦାର ତାଳି ବାଜିବ ଫର ଦିସ୍ ଅମେଜିଂ ୱେଦର which allowed us to start this amazing morning with this amazing energy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to the stage the very professional singer from the Hollywood industry. He is none other than Rajesh, who already been given his soulful voice to many films. Je bahut guda film re nijero soulful voice ku dei sarchandi. Seidi ochandi. Rajesh, I don't want to introduce to you, you know, as a celebrity person, as a celebrity guy, because we think a person who is mixed up with every single person, jane sadharana manish jodi sadharana manish ko sangere bhala bhabre misi palla tale tanko to bada celebrity au kehi bhi nathi. Jordar taali bajibo ladies and gentlemen for Rajesh. Could we have the mic please? Mere bhai ke liye ek mic diya jaye. Rajesh, I just want to know from you, what do you think, what is Park Utsav for you? Tamo pai Park Utsav kon? Tapre gito boliba. Nahi, Park Utsav.
Hello.
That's beautiful.
प्रथम थर ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି ବହୁତ ନର୍ଭସ୍ ବି ଲାଗୁଛି ଦେଖିବା କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ଆଗକୁ
Don't worry, yaar. Come on, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. That's called low five. Yeah, that's cool. Jordar taali bajibo Rajesh Kumar. Everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.